So last video I hydro dipped these glasses right here, and after a few days, I mean, they look kind of whack, so I'm gonna hydro dip a canvas today. Since the bucket isn't big enough for the canvas, I'm going to do a cool design to where, I'm going to try to do a cool design. Half of it is one design, and then the half is another. Let's just see how it looks. I actually kind of really like this. It looks really cool. It's kind of like lifted in a way. The paint is kind of rised up, so it looks kind of cool. So I'm gonna let that dry till tomorrow, and then probably hang it up somewhere on my wall or something. I don't know. It's pretty fun to make. I like how it ended up looking. Kind of like one half is one design, the other half is a different design. Even though I use the same colors, it still looks cool with two different designs. But I'll let it dry till tomorrow, and then I'll let y'all know how it looks like. So I'll be right back. All right, so it's the next day. This is what the final project looks like right here. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this way, or this way. But yeah, I like it. I like how it turned out. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would, honestly. But yeah, if you like videos like this, leave a like on this video. If you want me to do more hydro dipping, leave a like on this video too. Comment what you want to see next. I still want to do a phone case. So I actually have a phone case right here that I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll probably do this phone case next video, unless y'all want to see something else. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked it, smash that like. No, I'm just kidding. Just like it if you like this video. If you're new, subscribe if you want to. If you have any comments, put them down in the comment section below.